Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street, here from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, the greatest financial institution in the world. Let's go. The ceiling, the floor. Holy moly, look up in the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane. It is Wall Street Global Trading Academy. All I can do with this kind of volatility and this madness is say Wall Street Global Trading Academy, David Green and I are here to support you, to mentor you, to coach you, and to give you a little bit of insight in how the best way to trade this market. All that being said, a quarter for 250,000, 250,000, 3 A's, take them. Let's look at this day. We are on Monday, day 6 of February, after a complete January that I don't even want to talk about. It's in the history books. Done. Last week, a couple of mirror image days. One day we opened soft over Microsoft. We opened up after some strength in the market over something. Then we had Thursday, which was a complete evisceration of the market, where we just sold off on some of the worst economic data numbers that we've seen since the recession, payroll numbers and employment numbers. And then we came in like, look, we go out like a wolf and we come in like a lamb. No, we go out like a lamb, came in like a bull. We came into the market on Friday, and let's beware of the bifurcation of the difference between the S&P 500 and all that weighs on it, which is tech, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What's happening here is we did tiptoe into the 7,000 S&P, but we know that the whole tech and software and all that's been under pressure, so that dipped into a 7,000 number for a minute and has not seen it yet. But what we came to on that Friday was that 7,000, that 50,000 on the Dow. Today we're up 20 points, an odd lot. Up 31 handles on the S&P, that's fine. 1.3 billion on the tape. I would say, you know what, 1-to-1 basically up volume versus down volume here. VIX off a little bit. Look, on most green days, you do see the VIX come in. Russell up, FANG up, Brent up, ICE up, SPY's up. That's where we are. Now, what's going on really? I mean, that's what we really need to look at, right? The rally that we had, look, what's happening is this. I just had a little chat with Dan Ives. At the end of the day, what's really happening is this, that we do see tech under pressure. We do see that a lot of the investors are saying, wait a minute, everybody, we put all this money into tech and all this money into AI, and we know that AI has been the catalyst of the market, and we are impatient. You promised us that we were going to start seeing results right away, and I know it's 5 years out to build these data centers, all that, but you promised us all this stuff. And now it's not happening fast enough. We want what we want when we want it. We want immediate results, and you're not giving us that. So the bottom line is feelings aren't facts. At the end of the day, just because the investors are getting impatient and the companies are not changing their position in any way, they're still putting that CapEx out. They're still getting behind everything they promised, but it's not happening at the timeline the investors want. That's where you're having this bifurcation. So that's, in a nutshell, what's going on now. At the end of the day, we got some ups, we got some downs, we got some ins, some outs. Today was green. It's okay. Tomorrow's another day. Wall Street Global Trading Academy, David Green, the Einstein of Wall Street. I love you. I'm out of here.